Hello sir, welcome to my video presentation. I am Ashibur Rahman and my ID number is 191152469. The topic of my video presentation is about list in Python. Lists are used to store multiple items in a single variable. This list is a single variable, store multiple items like banana, apple, cherry. So when we print it, we get the output. List items are ordered, changeable and allow duplicate values. So here we can see that there are cherry and cherry 2 times. So when we print it, we can see that cherry is printed also. So it allows duplicate values. To determine how many items a list has, we use len function. Here when we use len function, we get the number of items in the list. Here the number of items is 3. List item can be of any data type. It can be string, it can be digit, it can be boolean. A list can contain all the data type like string, digit and boolean at the same time. How can we access item? List items are indexed and we can access them by referring the index number. Here the index number of banana is 1. So when we print with the index number, we get the output banana. Lists have also negative indexing. -1 refers to the last index and -2 refers to the second last index and so on. So when we print the -1 index, then we can see that the output cherry is printed. List has range of indexes. We can specify a range of indexes by specifying where to start and where to end. So here we start from 2 index and we will stop before the index 5. So we will start from 2 index, which is cherry. We will print cherry, orange and kiwi, and we will stop before melon. So the output is cherry, orange, kiwi. List also has range of negative index. If we want to search from the end of the list, we can use it. So we use the range of negative index and we get the output. How can we change the item values? To change the item value of a specific item, we have to refer to the index number. So here in index 1, we have to change the banana to coconut. So we just initialize that, and when we print it, we get the desired output. How to insert item in a list? To insert a new list item without replacing any of the existing values, we can use insert method. In this case, we have to provide the index number and also the value. So after that, we can see in the output that it is updated. How to append item? In order to append item, we have to use the append method. This code, when we use append method and we just put the value, then after printing it, we can get the output where orange is as the item value of the list. How can we remove a specified item? In order to do that, we have to use remove method. So in this remove method, we just have to put the item value which we want to delete. Then after printing that, we get the desired output. How can we look through the index number? We can look through the list item by referring to their index number. In order to do that, we have to use the range and the len function. So here we just use the range and len function, where the range is the length of the list, and after printing this, we can get the output of all the values of the list. How can we sort the list in alphanumeric order? List object have a sort method that will sort the list alphanumerically. In here, the list value are string. So when we use the sort method, it is sorted in alphabetic order. In this case, this is digit, so it is sorted in numeric order. How can we sort the list in descending order? To sort the list in descending order, we use the keyword argument reverse equal to true. So we just put the argument, and after that we find out that the list is in reverse order. Copy a list. To make a copy of a list, we use the copy method or list method. Here we use the copy method. We can also use list method. How can we join the list? In order to join a list, we have to use the plus operator or extend method. We can also use append and a loop to concatenate the list. In the end, we can say that list has several methods like append, clear, copy, count, extend, index, pop, remove, reverse, and sort, and so on. So that's all about my presentation. Thank you very much.